Hello guys, welcome to my channel Python Educare. Today I have brought an interesting session which is on chatbot which you can train the bot and it will respond automatically to the queries made to it. This is a very simple one where I have two files. This is the file where I will be writing all the queries and I have another file where I will be writing all the responses. And beside that I will have a text file where all the queries will be written and it will look for the query and it will get the response for it. So let me start. It's a very simple one, so guys stay with me so that you can understand this and you can use this for your own work or projects. So it's very simple one. So first of all I will be importing couple of modules, date time, system OS, time, sys, and import function. This is nothing but the other file which I have created for the response function.py. Okay, first of all when I'm exiting this, it will print a statement that is hello, what can I do for you. Then I have created a function called devSpeak. So this is nothing but to get the user input, what the user wants to query, ask for it. So once the user types something for his query, that particular query will be written into a text file. And here what I did is like whatever the queries I will be making, right, it will always get written to a text file in the lowercase. Why? Because in the next line I will make you understand why it is I am making it into the lowercase. So the file will get written in the lowercase. Now once the text is written in the file, and then now I will be looping it. So as of now this if you say it can loop till 1000 times, but means 1000 queries, but I have made a very few queries in this one, say like 5 or 6 for your understanding. So now whatever the queries I'm making, right, say good morning. If I say good morning, that particular thing will be get into the lowercase and then it will go to the loop. Once it get into the loop, what it will do is like with open text file. Now I'm opening the text file and it will read line by lines. For lines in file, if say good morning, I'm looking for good morning. So if particular this word, say like I'm making it in lowercase, right, good morning, I'm making it lowercase. So while a user wants to query, he may put in uppercase, G may be uppercase or M may be uppercase. So I'm making it all as a unified as a lowercase, because here also I'm making it lowercase so that it should match. Say if good morning in the lines, so if this particular text available in the text file, so it should go to this functional response. So it should respond, it should take this function response function from this particular file. So what is this? Def response. Response means it will also respond you back with good morning, hope you are fine. So this is how I made this bot. And similarly I made for if date, someone asks for date, so if the date is available in it, so it will respond with date. So for date what I did is like I will just get the system date and time now with this particular format. So I will get the system date and time and then it will print that particular date. Similarly, if something for response 1, response 2, response 3, this is how the queries responses are made for the queries that will be made to the by the user. And say bye bye, so it will exit the system. If something is not matching, then it will respond, it will print out these statements. This is very simple and it will be useful in many of your college projects. So let me execute this program. Say good morning, say I'm making GS caps, MS caps. So say good morning and see what the file is been written into. This is a text file where the file is being written, so it's all in lowercase, good morning. Then next, hope you're fine. Then I can say like I need a help. It's a response me, what help are you looking for? So what help are you looking for? Say what's the date today? What's the date today? Its date is given over here. Now say thank you. Most welcome. Bye bye. Thank you. Now system got exited. So this is how a small bot is. Now you can use this for your own task. You can modify it. You can improvise it for your own work. So if you train more, you can work with it more. So hope you have understood this and hope you have liked my video. If so, please press like button, and for more videos please do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.